This is the Randall's Island Urban Farm is an education garden that we are running for kids anywhere from pre-K all the way up to high schoolers. And throughout the week we have free programming for kids that come in and we'll teach them anything from planting seeds, growing, harvesting, and this is what we set up as a cooking class. So it's called an edible education program. We've been running this for about 7 years. And yeah, it's been really successful. We're growing, getting more numbers in now. Throughout the summer, we have day camp that come in, and we do. We probably have about maybe around 100 kids a day come through the farm, where we're doing programming with them. Our season runs from around March to midway through November, just right around Thanksgiving. We use organic practices here, so there are a lot of different kind of techniques that we use to keep the soils healthy and to keep pests down. And one of the things that we do is we use rotational crop. So 1 year we'll have our brassica or cole crops planted here, and then we'll move them next year and have another crop there, so that they have different pests and they have different requirements that the soil needs. So we kind of move through a cycle. This was started through the Randall's Island Park Alliance, and it was actually like a sensorial garden that was attached to the playground over there, and you can see those boxwoods, and the garden was really on the other side of that, and they had like things like grasses or prickly plants or things that looked good or sounded interesting, and then they started planting some edible food, edible garden, and we partnered with a group called Grow NYC, who runs a lot of the green markets in New York, and they do a lot of food work and support local growers. So we were partnering with them, and this is maybe about 5 or 6 years ago. Mainly focus on kids coming from Harlem, South Bronx, and Queens. So a lot of what I'm interested in doing is getting people excited about the environment, talking about ecology, and maybe throw in some words like biodiversity that kids maybe aren't familiar with. Just introduce them to the idea that humans aren't the only thing living here.